Hello everybody, it's John here from immoviewer 360, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the blur area function. So let's get started. Now first off, you want to select the tour you wish to blur an area into. Primarily this happens when you have some picture frames you want to omit from the video or from the tour, or it's also used when you're taking bathroom shots where the camera appears on the photo. So in this case, that's when the blur function comes in really handy. So for this demonstration, I would like to show you guys this portrait right here, this palm tree portrait. And this is the area that we would like to blur. So in order to blur an area, all you have to do is just click on Edit. It loads up the editor, just like that. Then you want to visit the room you wish to edit. In this case, we have to search it. The ground floor. There are two ways you can actually search for the photo. You can actually go to it using the hotspots, or you can search it out from the photo picker down below. In this case, I use the photo picker to load up the photo. And there we go. So this is the area we want to blur. All you got to do is just click on the blur area function. Reposition it. A box should actually appear, which you can reposition, and you can also resize. And if you're satisfied with the area this blur box is covering, all you got to do is just click on the blue button with this save icon. Just click on that, and a warning should appear on your screen saying that the blur effect may take up to 10 minutes to process, because what it's doing is it's processing the blur into the entire image. So we might want to give it some time for it to appear as blurred. So take, for example, let's try and give it a check. Let's exit out of the editor. And there we go. Let's try and play this tour again. This time we can also use the floor plan now to visit that room. And as you can see, the blur has taken into effect. This is mostly used, especially when you're taking bathroom shots and the camera appears on reflective surfaces. You can definitely use blur areas. You can also blur out car plates or some photographs that may appear on your photo. Or in your photo. So that's how you blur areas, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, feedback, comments, send us an email at help@immoviewer.us or chat with us at immoviewer.com. Thanks, and have an immoviewer day. Bye-bye.